and welcome to CCK Live. Today we're going to be discussing VA disability and Social Security benefits.
So first, just starting out with what the difference is between SSDI and SSI. There are two different types of Social Security disability benefits. The first is Social Security Disability Insurance, or SSDI, and Supplemental Security Income, or SSI. SSDI can support those who are disabled and have a qualifying work history, either through their own employment or through a spouse or a family member. SSDI is a program that you pay into when you work, and the benefit amount is based on your past earnings. SSI provides financial assistance to people with disabilities and the elderly who have limited income and resources. In other words, it's basically a needs-based program. The main differences between SSDI and SSI are that SSI has income limits, whereas SSDI only counts earned income. While SSI payments are based on age, disability, and income limits, SSDI payments are based on disability and work history.
So, how do VA disability benefits affect SSDI and SSI? So, first, it's good to just talk about the difference between Social Security benefits and VA compensation. So, Social Security is, in contrast to VA, you are either fully disabled or not disabled at all, and it's one single lump sum payment. VA, however, you have a scale of being 0% to 100% disabled, and based on your rating, it's a different monthly amount. Now, VA disability benefits have no effect on entitlement to SSDI benefits. However, this is different when it comes to Supplemental Security Income, SSI, because Supplemental Security Income, as Caleb mentioned, is a needs-based program. So if you are getting VA compensation, that affects how much income a veteran is making. So there is an impact on SSI when you get VA compensation benefits. Now, it's going to be the same way for pension benefits. A veteran who qualifies and obtains VA pension benefits will maybe no longer qualify for SSI benefits because the pension amount may exceed what is allowed in order for them to be eligible to get SSI income. So just keep that in mind. That's something that VA does require a veteran to report when they're on pension, getting VA disability pension benefits, is any additional income. So at any point in time, if you earn or get awarded SSI benefits, you would need to notify VA. You would also need to notify them if you receive SSDI benefits, because again, pension is a needs-based program. So if your income is changing because you get awarded Social Security benefits, you would need to notify VA.
And so that's a good segue into an offset. So any VA disability benefits you receive, it's going to offset the amount that you can get from SSI. So that's why it's important, like Michelle said, to report that information. So for example, this SSI income limit in 2023 is $914 per month for an eligible individual. So if you were getting more than $914 a month in VA disability, then you're not going to qualify for SSI. However, if you're receiving less than $914 a month in VA disability, then there's going to be an offset. The amount that you're getting in VA disability is going to be taken out of your SSI payments. So if you're getting VA disability compensation, that can lower your SSI payments. However, it's not going to lower your SSDI payment because that is not income determinative. Similarly, if you're getting VA pension, it works the same way. If you're getting Social Security, disability, or SSI, that's going to be money that's counted towards your income. So VA pension has the same kind of income limit as SSI. So it's going to be reduced or you're not going to be eligible, depending on if the amount that you're getting from SSA is more than the income limit for pension.
And many veterans may wonder if they automatically qualify for VA disability benefits because they have Social Security benefits and vice versa. The short answer to that question is no. You do have to apply for and qualify for each of them separately. Winning approval for one type of benefits doesn't mean that you qualify or necessarily have a better chance of getting the other. However, if you are receiving Social Security disability, VA is likely going to look at your Social Security file, especially if you're pursuing a TDIU claim, and that information can either help your VA disability benefits case, or it could potentially be a hurdle. It just depends what you're service connected for and on which disabilities your SSDI is based. It's, again, not a guarantee that your claim will be granted or denied one way or the other, but it can definitely be influential in VA's decision-making process.
So for more information about this topic, check out our website at cck-law.com, and thank you for tuning in.